Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the margins in Google Docs. If you want to improve your document layout or meet formatting requirements, this tutorial is for you. On the Google Docs page, to change or adjust the margins, all we need to do is click the blue ruler at the top. We will grab the first marker on the left side. All we need to do is drag it to set our left margin. For example, we can set it to 1 inch. We can adjust the left side to match our needs. We can set the margin to 1 inch. We can also adjust it directly from here. We can adjust the top margin as well. We can also change the bottom margin if needed. It all depends on how we want the page to look. Just hover the mouse over the left end, right end, or the top end. A margin handle will appear. We can see the top margin marker right there. We simply drag it to set the margin to our liking. This method lets us adjust the page margins in Google Docs using the ruler. We can customize the top, bottom, left, and right margins, so our document looks clean and professional. And that's it. Now we know how to change margins in Google Docs.